1 gram of a carbonate M2CO3 on treatment with excess HCl produces 0.01186 mole CO2, the molar mass of M2CO3. So, M2CO3 plus HCl, we will get CO2 gas, and we will get byproduct also, but that is not required. Here HCl is excess, so its amount is not considered. So I am removing that also. To get one CO2, there should be one M2CO3. So their coefficient is 1:1. In this question, 1 gram metal carbonate gives 0.01186 mole CO2. If it is 1 mole, it is also 1 mole. So I am converting this value to 1 mole. So it will convert to the mass. That mass will be its molar mass. How it can convert 1 by 0.01186, that is 84.3 gram. That is option 2. So here we use the technique. Stoichiometric coefficient is 1:1. If it is 1 mole, it should be 1 mole. So the mass should be its molar mass. We want to calculate molar mass of M2CO3, that is 84.3 gram. A 5.2 molar aqueous solution of methyl alcohol CH3OH is supplied. What is the mole fraction of methyl alcohol in the solution? So in this question, molality is given and we have to determine mole fraction of solute. Aqueous solution of methyl alcohol is solute. In this section, we have to study one equation. Mole fraction of solute chi b equal to m into ma by 1000. Mole fraction of solute is equal to m into ma by 1000. What is mole m? That is molality. What is ma? That is molar mass of solvent. What is chi b? That is mole fraction of solute. So mole fraction of solute is equal to m into ma by 1000. But this equation is applicable for dilute solution only. Generally we are giving dilute solutions, so this equation is useful. But actual equation between mole fraction of solute and molality is chi b equal to m into ma by 1000 plus m into ma. Chi b is equal to m into ma by 1000 plus m into ma. But in dilute solution, this m into ma will be negligible. So since m into ma is negligible, equation will be simplified as m into ma by 1000. So in most of the question, we have to use this equation. But this is the correct equation which is applicable at any concentration. But in dilute solution, the same equation is reduced as like this. Let's substitute the data. Chi b equal to, molality is 5.2. Ma is molar mass of solvent. Since there is aqueous solution, molar mass is 18 by 1000. So the answer is 0.086, that is option 3. What volume of hydrogen gas at 273 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure will be consumed in obtaining 21.6 gram of elemental boron having atomic mass 10.8 from the reduction of boron trichloride by hydrogen? So boron trichloride means BCl3. It reacts with H2 to get elemental boron and HCl. In this question, byproduct is not required. We can simply compare elemental boron and hydrogen. First, we have to balance the reaction. That is, BCl3 means there will be 3 HCl. So, the H2 should be 3 by 2. BCl3 plus 3 by 2 H2 become B plus 3 HCl. Boron have mass 10.8. Then number of mole of H2 will be 1.5 mole. But in this question, 21.6 gram elemental boron is formed. That is, it's doubled. So it will be 3 mole. 3 mole H2 gas means 3 into 22.4 liter, because 1 atm and 273 Kelvin is STP. Its molar volume 20.4. So the answer is 67.2 liter. That is option 4. The most abundant element by mass in the body of a healthy human adult are oxygen, carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen. The weight which a 75 kilogram would gain if all 1 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 2 hydrogen atoms. So it is a simple question. Mass of person is 75 kilogram. In that, percentage of hydrogen is 10. So we can calculate mass of hydrogen in the mass of person. What it will be? We can say that is mass of person 75 into percentage of hydrogen 10 by 100, 7.5. This hydrogen have atomic mass 1. It is replaced by hydrogen have atomic mass 2. What will happen? The mass of hydrogen will be doubled. So the same 7.5 kilogram will be additional gets for that person. The question is that the weight which a 75 kilogram person would gain. So the mass gain is 7.5 kilogram. So option 3. If the question is what is the weight of 75 kilogram person after replacement, it will be 15 kilogram. So initially 7.5 kilogram is mass of hydrogen. If it is replaced by hydrogen having atomic mass 2, additional 7.5 kilogram will be added. Now the person have the total mass 15 kilogram. So, but it is not the question. Answer is 7.5 kilogram. Density of a 2.05 molar solution of acetic acid in water is 1.02 gram per milliliter. The molality of solution is, so molarity is given, density is given, we have to find molality. By comparing these, we can study one equation. 1 by small m equal to d by capital M minus mb by 1000. Here small m is molality, capital M is molarity, mb is molar mass of solute, d is density, of solution. But this density should be in the unit gram per milliliter. Then only this equation is useful. We have to apply this data. We want to calculate molality. Molarity is given, density is given. Acetic acid in water. Acetic acid is CH3COH. Its mass is 60. We can apply the data. 1 by small m equal to density 1.02 by molarity 2.05 minus 60 by 1000. By calculation, the molality become 2.28. That is option 3. Density of 3.6 molar sulfuric acid solution, that is 29% by mass will be. So in this question, density is given, molarity is given. So we can use the equation molarity equal to x into d into 10 by mb. This m is molarity. X is mass percentage of solute. Then D, density of solution. This density of solution should be in gram per milliliter. Then only this equation is applicable. MB is molar mass of solute. So this is the equation. Molarity is equal to mass percentage of solute into density of solution into 10 by molar mass of solute. In this question, we have to calculate this density. So density is equal to, what is molarity? That is 3.6. What is MB? Molar mass of solute. Solute is sulfuric acid. Its molar mass is 98 by X. X means mass percentage. Here mass percentage is given 29 into 10. By calculation, the answer is 1.22. That is option 1. In the reaction, 2 aluminium solid plus 6 HCl aqueous become 2 Al3 plus aqueous plus 6 Cl minus aqueous plus 3 H2 gas, and there are 4 options. We have to determine the correct statement. So in the reaction, 2 Al solid plus 6 HCl aqueous gives 2 Al3 plus aqueous 6 Cl minus aqueous plus 3 H2 gas. This physical state is very important in the options. Let's check one by one options. Option 1 say that 6 liter HCl is consumed for every 3 liter H2 gas formed. Actually, HCl have 6 mole, H2 have 3 mole. So their mole ratio is 6:3. But the same ratio cannot be applicable for their volume because one is aqueous, another is gas. So option 1 not possible because one is aqueous, another gas. What about option 2? 33.6 liter H2 gas is produced regardless temperature and pressure for every mole of aluminium, every mole that react. We can say that if 2 mole aluminium react, 3 mole H2 is formed. 2 mole aluminium gives 3 mole H2. Then for 1 mole aluminium, it will be 1.5 mole H2. This have a volume 1.5 into 22.4 liter, that is 33.6 liter only at STP. But in this option, regardless temperature and pressure is mentioned. So option 2 is wrong. What about option 3? 67.2 liter H2 is produced for every mole of aluminium. That's already we explained. 1 mole aluminium gives 33.6 liter H2, not 67.2. So option 3 is wrong. Option 4. 11.2 liter H2 at STP is produced for every mole of HCl occurs. In HCl, 6 mole HCl produce 3 mole H2. Then what about 1 mole HCl? It will be 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2 mole H2. 1 by 2 mole H2 means 11.2 liter. So option 4 is correct.